Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. First, draw the butterfly's head. Draw its mouth. Now, draw the butterfly's antennae. How beautiful! Now draw a long oval. Draw the butterfly's wings. And now, decorate it with beautiful designs. That's really good! What a wonderful butterfly you have! Marvel at how gracefully it flies! Play with your own drawing!